camber bolt completely sheared off. We lost pressure instantly, yep.
Look at the lower control arm. It's bent straight through the chassis mount.
Tires smoke hard through every clipping point as the car commits fully to the final run of the entire competition. The packed stadium erupts into a roar as the winning car completes a slow, smoke-trailing victory lap around the course.
We are the champions!
Woo, we won! Yeah, 99, let's go!
Every drift legend starts as a bare steel shell, waiting to become the machine that will burn through tire after tire.
Check the drift angle on car 99.
It's holding steady at 60 degrees.
Tire temps are spiking on the rear right. We need to monitor chassis stress.
Look at the sustained angle through the apex.
Yes.
Impressive consistency. The splitter clearance is minimal.
The drift angle peaked sharply here. Look at the G-force spike.
We need to adjust the rear camber.
The wear rate is too high on the outer edge.
Yeah, the tires are definitely overheating mid-corner.
Check the front suspension travel. It's hitting the bump stops too early. Copy that. I'll raise the ride height slightly. up to the second cone right there. Tire wear looks good, but keep an eye on temps. Clear behind you, 99, let's go.
Proximity on that tandem was incredible, especially with the splitter near the ground. Yeah.
Definitely a high score for angle and style.
Agreed. Let's lock in the 95.
Incredible driving from both competitors, but the judges have made their decision. The winner is car 99. The rear tire, it's shredded. Get it in now. That's right, 99. We are the champions. Woo, we won. Yeah, 99. Let's go. Okay, that's 24 right there.
Yeah.
Noted, 24. Solid run today.